Hello friends, welcome to Study a Lot. As you know, every year some cyclones hit many countries and become the reason of loss of human life and loss of economy. These cyclones have different unique name. As you heard about Fani cyclone in India in 2019 and about Hurricane Katrina in USA. In this video, we will discuss about how are cyclone named in the world and especially in Indian Ocean region. If you did not subscribe this channel, kindly subscribe this channel for interesting knowledge and press bell icon for new video notification. So let's begin. Recently, the Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) has released 169 new names for the tropical cyclone in the Indian Ocean region. What is the IMD? IMD is the short form for India Meteorological Department. This is an agency of the Ministry of Earth Science of the Government of India. It is the principal organization which is responsible for meteorological observation, weather forecasting and seismology. IMD headquarters is in New Delhi. IMD issue advisory regarding upcoming tropical cyclones to 13 member nations including Bangladesh, India, Iran, Maldives, Myanmar, Oman, Pakistan, Qatar, Saudi Arab, Sri Lanka, Thailand, UAE and Yemen. IMD is the one of six regional specialized meteorological center and the short form is RSMC set up across the globe along with five regional tropical cyclone warning center. It has the responsibility for forecasting, naming and distribution of warning for tropical cyclone in the northern Indian Ocean region including the Malacca Strait, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and the Persian Gulf. This is the chart where the whole world divide different region and every region have different RSMC and TCW like region Atlantic and Eastern Pacific. There is the RSMC US National Hurricane Center which is RSMC Miami. Central Pacific US Central Pacific Hurricane Center RSMC Honolulu. Northwest Pacific Japan Meteorological Agency RSMC Tokyo. North Indian Ocean India Meteorological Department RSMC New Delhi. Southwest Indian Ocean Meteo France RSMC La Réunion. Southwest Pacific and Southeast Indian Ocean. It has five Australian Bureau of Meteorological TCW's Perth, Indonesian Agency for Meteorological TCWC Jakarta, Australian Bureau of Meteorological TCWC Darwin, Papua New Guinea TCWC Port Moresby, Australian Bureau of Meteorological TCWS Brisbane. Region South Pacific has one RSMC and one TCW which is Fiji Meteorological Service RSMC Nadi and Meteorological Service of New Zealand Limited TCWC Wellington. So in this video we will discuss about North Indian Ocean Indian Meteorological Department RSMC New Delhi. ये total 6 RSMC and 5 TCW is responsible for naming cyclone in the world. The RSMC New Delhi assigned the name to tropical cyclone following a standard procedure. First, The proposed name should be neutral to politics and religious belief, culture and gender. Second, name should be chosen in such a way that it does not hurt the sentiments of any group of population over the globe. Third, it should not be very rude and cruel in nature. Fourth, it should be short, easy to pronounce, and should not be offensive to any member. Fifth, the maximum length of the name will be 8 letters. Sixth, the name of tropical cyclone will not be repeated. So naming of tropical cyclone help the scientific community, disaster manager, media and journal masses, because here is different thing that the naming of cyclone is very important for us. So here is a reason. First, identify each individual cyclone. Second, create awareness of its development. Third, remove confusion in case of simultaneous occurrence of TC over a region. Fourth, remember a TC easily. TC means tropical cyclone. Fifth, rapidly and effectively disseminate warning to much wider audience. During WMO Escape PTC 45th session held at Muscat. So here is what is the WMO. WMO means World Meteorological Organization, and ESCAPE means Economic and Social Commission for Asia and Pacific, and PTC stand for Pacific Telecommunication Council. So the 45th session held at Muscat, Oman in September 2018. It was decided to prepare a fresh list of name of tropical cyclone. The report of the rapporteur was initially presented by the India during 46th session of WMO Escape PTC held in Nai Tao, Myanmar during 9 to 13 September 2019. After deliberation, the report was finally adopted by WMO Escape PTC with consensus in April 2020. The list contains the name of 13 cyclone for the 13 member country out of the total 169 names. The name of cyclones that may emerge in the future in India are Gati, Tej, Murasu, Aag, Vyom, Jhar, Prabhu, Neer, Prabhanjan, Ghurni, Ambud, Jaldi and Vega. The list also includes names such as Nisarg for Bangladesh and Nivar for Iran. This is the list. Here is you can see 4 column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4, and here is the list of country where is 13 member of WMO escape panel. So total 13 member and total column is 13. For short, here I show you 4 column. So 13 column given by 13 country, so it is 13 into 30, 169. So here you can see the name given by India is Gati, Tej, Murasu, Aag, and other country name is like Thailand, Sitrang, Motha, Thainot, Bulan. Example पाकिस्तान का गुलाब, एसना, सेहब and Afsan. So thanks for watching the video and meet you again in new video with new topic.